Let's look at exercise 29. This exercise is only for the left hand and are all chords. Remember to place each note in the chord at the same time, so when you press the notes of the chord together, you hear one sound. Not that difficult, is it? But you probably notice the change of clef in the first bar. This means that you have to play these chords above the middle C, instead of below the middle C. You also notice that the clef changes back again on the second beat in the second bar. Therefore, you have to play these chords below middle C. Now let's look at the timing of this exercise. There is a rest, a 16th rest. You have done something like it before with the right hand, remember? It's exercise 9 at the beginning of the second part of the online course. So you count 1 and 2 and 3 and. The rest comes on the second beat, and therefore you play the F-G chord on the end of the second beat. So 1 and 2 and. You play the chords in the second bar on the beat. So just 1, 2, 3. Now you are ready to practice exercise 29 at 30 BPM. I'll get back to you after you did exercise 29 at 90 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.